Ferrari, a name that instantly evokes speed, luxury, and sheer automotive passion. But how did this legendary brand rise from a humble Italian workshop to become a global icon? Buckle up as we take you on a thrilling journey through the untold story of Ferrari, where racing dreams collided with luxury innovation. From the racetrack to the streets, Ferrari's legacy continues to inspire. With each model, Ferrari pushes the boundaries of performance and design. Join us as we explore the milestones and innovations that have defined Ferrari's journey. From its inception to its current status as a luxury icon, Ferrari's story is one of relentless pursuit of excellence. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the heart and soul of Ferrari, uncovering the passion and innovation that drive this legendary brand. Our story begins in 1898, in the small town of Modena, Italy, where Enzo Ferrari was born. Enzo's early years were filled with struggle. His family ran a metal workshop, but tragedy struck when his father and brother died during the 1918 flu pandemic. Despite the hardships, Enzo was determined to follow his dreams. He pursued a career in racing, driven by an unyielding passion for speed and competition. In 1920, he joined Alfa Romeo as a test driver, eventually becoming one of their star racers. His talent and dedication quickly made him a prominent figure in the racing world, but it wasn't enough. Enzo had bigger ambitions. He didn't just want to race cars, he wanted to build them. His vision extended beyond the racetrack. Enzo's dream was to create a car that would bear his name and symbolize excellence in engineering and design. This dream led to the birth of Ferrari as a car manufacturer. The journey was not easy, but Enzo's relentless pursuit of perfection and innovation laid the foundation for what would become one of the most iconic brands in automotive history. And so, the journey of Ferrari as a car manufacturer began, marking the start of a legacy that continues to inspire and captivate the world. Enzo's vision was not just about building cars, it was about creating a legacy. His relentless drive and innovative spirit set the stage for Ferrari's future triumphs. Through the years, Ferrari would become synonymous with speed, luxury, and unparalleled craftsmanship, a testament to Enzo's enduring influence and passion. Fast forward to 1947. The war was over, and Ferrari introduced the 125S, his first car with the iconic Prancing horse emblem. This car wasn't just a machine, it was a statement that Ferrari had arrived. In May of that year, the 125S claimed its first victory at the Rome Grand Prix. This was the start of Ferrari's dominance in motorsport. But Ferrari wasn't just about winning races. Enzo knew the power of creating a brand, one that combined speed with elegance. The 125S was more than a car, it was a symbol of innovation and ambition. This victory marked the beginning of a legacy that would define luxury and performance. Ferrari's journey from the racetrack to becoming a luxury icon had just begun. In the 1950s and 60s, Ferrari expanded into road cars, crafting machines that were as beautiful as they were fast. These cars were not just about speed, they embodied elegance and sophistication. Cars like the 250 GTO and the Ferrari California weren't just vehicles, they were works of art. Celebrities like Steve McQueen and Sophia Loren fell in love with them, making these cars icons of their time. This adoration cemented Ferrari's reputation as a symbol of status and style. The allure of Ferrari was not just in its performance but in its presence at high society events. By combining racing pedigree with luxurious design, Ferrari created something unique. The brand became synonymous with exclusivity and prestige. Owning a Ferrari wasn't just about driving, it was about being part of an exclusive club. This sense of belonging was a key part of the Ferrari experience. This legacy continues today with modern models and luxury events. Ferrari remains a symbol of luxury and performance, continuing to captivate enthusiasts around the world. The meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail in every Ferrari ensure that the brand's legacy of excellence endures. Whether on the track or the road, Ferrari continues to be a beacon of innovation and luxury, a testament to its storied history and bright future. Ferrari's dominance on the track continued to grow. From Formula One to the 24 Hours of Le Mans, the brand collected championship after championship. Names like Niki Lauda, Michael Schumacher, and Charles Leclerc became synonymous with Ferrari's legacy. But success didn't come without challenges. Rivalries with brands like Lamborghini and McLaren pushed Ferrari to innovate further, creating iconic models like the F40 and the Enzo Ferrari. These battles fueled Ferrari's obsession with perfection, making it a household name for anyone who dared to dream of speed. Ferrari's relentless pursuit of excellence continues to inspire. The early days of Ferrari were marked by innovation and a relentless drive to win. Enzo Ferrari's vision was clear: to create the fastest and most beautiful cars in the world. This vision has carried through to the modern era, where Ferrari continues to push the boundaries of speed and design. Ferrari's relentless pursuit of excellence continues to inspire. The brand's commitment to innovation and performance has never wavered. Ferrari's engineers and designers work tirelessly to create machines that are not only fast but also beautiful. Each new model is a testament to the brand's dedication to excellence. As Ferrari continues to evolve, it remains a symbol of speed, luxury, and innovation. The legacy of Ferrari is one of relentless pursuit of perfection, a journey that shows no signs of slowing down. Today, Ferrari is more than a car company. It's a global phenomenon. With hybrid supercars like the SF90 Stradale, Ferrari is embracing the future while staying true to its roots. The brand continues to blend cutting-edge technology with the timeless spirit of Italian craftsmanship. And yet, Ferrari remains a family of engineers, racers, and dreamers who share one goal: to create the ultimate driving experience. As Ferrari looks to the future, it continues to inspire passion and innovation around the world. The company is investing heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of automotive technology. From electric vehicles to advanced simulation labs, Ferrari is preparing for a new era of mobility. Ferrari's global presence continues to grow, with dealerships and fans in every corner of the world. Beyond cars, Ferrari is committed to giving back to the community through various initiatives and programs. As Ferrari moves forward, it remains dedicated to innovation, excellence, and the legacy of its founder, Enzo Ferrari. Like and subscribe. Tell me what car brand you want to know more about in the description. Stay tuned for more exciting stories from the world of luxury and performance cars. Ferrari's journey from the racetrack to the showroom floor is a testament to its enduring legacy. Each model represents a blend of cutting-edge technology and timeless design. From the roar of the engine to the sleek lines of its body, Ferrari continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this ride through Ferrari's illustrious history.